Audio Jungle.
Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. Long time no see. I know I have been inactive for quite a lot and I really regret doing that and I'm really sorry for that as well. But I think I somewhat needed it. So now that I'm back, I promise I'm gonna be consistent and I'm gonna be posting regularly. So thank you. So now let's get started with the video. So today we are going to do like a home decor haul video from Meesho. This is the first time I'm ordering home decors from Meesho. When I ordered it, I was quite scared like how the products are going to be. So if I talk about my experience, there were a few products which I'm really impressed by, like the quality and everything, but at the same time there are a few products which are a little bit disappointing. Also, one thing that I want to say to you before starting in this haul is that everything that I ordered from Meesho for this haul is under rupees 200, so it is super affordable. So yeah, let's get started with the video without further boring you guys. The first thing we have is a key holder. The product name for this one is Modern and Shine Craft Key Holder for home and office purposes. And this is how the packaging looks like. I'll just open it for you. So this is how it came to me. I like the design of this one, like the kind of vibe that it gives. I found exactly the same on Amazon, but it was little bit more priced, so I thought of ordering it from Meesho. If I talk about the quality of this one, I think the quality is little bit cheap. Like it is average, I would say. Like the material of this cardboard is thin. Like if you put force to it, it can break. It will break, I think. Yeah. So I didn't find the quality to be that great. And the hooks that it has here, like to keep the keys and everything, it is very much loose. Like if you try to pull this hook from here, it can come out. Like there's nothing to settle it at the back. So that is one thing which I did not like about this key holder. So it also has this double-sided tape, so you can open it and you can stick it on the wall, and if you don't want to stick it, there are some holes here, you can just attach it with a nail. I got this product delivered very much late than the delivery date it mentioned, and when I received it, it was damaged. Let me show it to you. So if you can see it closely, it here, like at here and here, I feel it is broken. Like it is broken. And if you see at the back also, there are a lot of places where it is broken. So the finishing is very much bad and it is broken at few places. So I don't know why they are sending this kind of products to me, to anyone. Like, so I would say it is a complete waste of money. So please don't buy this one. I am definitely going to return it. The price of this one was 94 after discount. So yeah, I'm going to return it, so never mind. So the second product that we have is my favorite. It is a pack of 4 artificial plants. The product name is White Blossom Artificial Flower Bouquet. So I got the pack of 4 for rupees 154. So whenever you order anything from Meesho, try to order and pay via UPI, because whenever you pay via UPI, you get some additional 15% or 20% off. This is the pack of 4 plants that we get for rupees 154. I mean, a pack of 4 for rupees 154, this is unbelievable. Like when I went to local shop, then also I tried asking the price, and like for a pack of 2 they were asking 150 rupees. So 154 like for 4 pieces is a good deal, I feel. As you can see, like all the 4 comes in a different design. They have a different design, if you can see. I'll show it to you like properly. Let's talk about how the product quality is. If you see, it has this white planter. It is not that strong, but it is like quite okayish kind of. And the green plant that it has, it looks artificial, but not that artificial, I would say. It gives like those green vibes, and it looks good when you keep it like lot of places. It adds such a good vibe to the place that you keep it in. And this is very much cute. You can literally decorate it in so many ways. Like you can put it on your study table, on wall shelves, or there are a lot of places you can keep them, and it would look so cool. So you can decorate it in so many places. Like you can keep it on your study table or maybe wall shelves or anywhere else, and it would look so cute. So I'm a kind of person, I love plants, but I find it very difficult to take care of them, like give them water every day. If you're like me, you can go for artificial plants like this, like they add those green element to your home as well, but at the same time you don't have that tension of giving them water every day. So yeah, you can go for this one. So the next product that we have are hanging wall shelf. The product name is Lipan Home Decor Hanging Wall Shelf. It comes in a pack of 2 and the price is like rupees 105 for a pack of 2, like much cheaper than what I found on Amazon. Like if you see on Amazon, it has like a pack of 1 for rupees 99. On the other hand, like Meesho gives a pack of 2 for rupees 105. So quite cheap, like one piece for 50 something. So that is, I think that is a very affordable price, I feel. This is how the packaging looks like, and let me show it to you. This is how the shelves look like. So now let's talk about the quality of these shelves. So the wood that it has is of good quality. Like I won't say that the wood is of a premium quality, but at the same time it doesn't look cheap in any way. Like it has this proper wood finishing and it looks good as well when you see it. It has this rope so that you can hang it anywhere. The rope is also of good quality. It is not a cotton rope, maybe a nylon rope, but yeah, it is of good quality and it looks super good like when you hang it somewhere. It has this loop so that you can hang it anywhere on the wall. You can decorate this wall shelves in so many ways. Like you can decorate them with those artificial plants that I shown you just before this, or you can put some like painted canvas, or you can put some books there, or you can add some string lights around there, some artificial veins, and it would look so pretty. So I would suggest you to try it that way. Like I'm definitely gonna decorate it in so many ways. I would definitely rate this a 5 out of 5. I would suggest you highly to go for this one. So the last thing that we have is SAF wall hanging. It is a motivational hexagon wall hanging. This is how the packaging looks like. Let me just open it. So if I talk about the quality of this one, the quality of this is actually good. Like the cardboard that they have used for this one is of great quality, and the strings that they have is also of a good quality. Like it is of a golden color and it is proper thick. The print that they have on this one also looks good, like it gives a good shine. So it has this beautiful leafy patterns all around, and it has this beautiful quote which says make yourself a priority. Like there are other options available as well, so you can check them out and you can find whichever is relatable according to you. I opted for this one because I found it quite relatable. Like there are a lot of times, or most of the times, we live with people who we love and who we care about, and we are burdened by so many responsibilities, and we have such a hectic schedule that we find it difficult to find time for ourselves, that we forget about ourselves. We don't give ourselves a priority, we don't think about ourselves, we don't treat ourselves, and we don't do things that we love, mostly the things that are good for us, the things that is going to make us happy, or maybe some self time, some self love that we need, that goes off. So I really needed something that is going to remind me every time to make myself a priority, leaving everything else. So that's the reason I got this one. This one was for rupees 108. So there are definitely a lot of other options, so you can check them out and choose whichever you find good. So I would rate it a 4 out of 5. There are a lot of other products that I ordered as well, but I don't know why Meesho is taking so late to deliver it to me. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to like and share my video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really need motivation right now. Stay healthy and keep smiling, and also don't forget to make yourself a priority. And if you have watched it till here, please comment 11:22 because that's what the time right now. So yeah, bye bye, see you.
Ryan Little. Yoga.